V6 just never sound like a V8. no matter how much open pipes you have. All right, we're in Midas. We're on the road after these guys hook us up. Well, for the first time in 8,000 videos, I actually tapped the top of my bald head against one of these exhaust pipes and burn it. Unbelievable. Here's the pipe. It did break behind the exhaust manifold as suspected. They're going to hook us up, and we'll be back on the road soon. Appreciate Midas out here. What town are we in? What? Florence? In Florence, South Carolina? In Florence, South Carolina. Appreciate you. Here's the underside. And there's the break in the pipe. That's the new exhaust manifold up there. And that's the brake. So you have to weld that back on so we can get going. Guys, she's for sale. $2,400. Come get her. All new shocks, new springs, new shocks. She's got a little bit of a leak there. Almost nothing. Engine's strong. Running great. If you want a good solid car, it's a stick. Little cleanup. Got a dent on the fender. That happened recently. Otherwise, she's clean. $2,400. Send it on PayPal. I got the title. And take her. Because I think we're getting a new car. And she's been really solid. It was going to be Sarah's car. But the money we make off of this car is going to go to the down payment for my daughter's car. Thank you. Well, the weirdest thing is that now two times, I always worked on my own cars or hired my guys to work on my cars. 2 times in 1 week, someone else has worked on my car. The transition is almost complete. And that's it. She's quiet again. That's the father that did the work, and that's the son who owns the business. It's very cool. I love hearing it. Oh, can I put you on video? Tell me your name again. And this is Herbert. Thank you, Herbert, for what you do. Good job.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. All right, we're out of here. She's ready to roll. I just got to pay the man. I'm here at the Midas in Florence, South Carolina. It's a father and son business. They do good work. They're honest. The prices are good. I recommend them. So anywhere close to this business, come on out, get your work done here, and I can I can testify that they do good work and are very reasonable.